Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to see how you can install a Python library that is matplotlib.pyplot. So there are different ways to install Python libraries. So I have created a separate video on the different ways to install libraries. So I will provide that video's link in the description section below. You can check it from there, right? So in this video we are going to see two methods to install matplotlib.pyplot, right? So if you are using Jupyter notebook, so simply click on new, then new notebook. Now after coming here, simply click on plus to open a new cell, and now here you need to enter pip install matplotlib, and make sure you are connected with the internet connections, right? So after writing this, simply control plus enter. So after pressing control plus enter, the downloading will be started. So if you have already downloaded, it will look like this, right? Requirement already satisfied. So in my case, I have already downloaded it. That's why it is showing like this. So there is another way to install this. Simply go to search bar and open the command prompt. Now here, write the same thing, pip install matplotlib, and simply click on enter button. Your downloading will be started, right? So in my case, I have already downloaded, so it's showing like this. So if you find this video helpful, please like and do share. Thank you.